Hello and welcome back. Today I am going for a walk near the Rangitata river mouth. I am on a hunt for any cancel done, so that's the main focus of today. Let's see what I find. Well, that's a good wee first find of the day. Love it. There's so much more sand this week than the other week. So beautiful here. I haven't found a second piece and it's been a little while. I'm going to walk up to where the rocks are instead of where the water is, and maybe I'll have more luck there. I'll just walk along this bit. I spot a little wee one. Tiny. So perfect though. Look at that shape. Yay, well I'll keep wandering along here then. I think that's a good sign. Okay, this is the spot it seems. Another one. Wonder if I'll find any more, like some more coloured pieces today or not. It's number 4 now. Oh, feeling hopeful now. I'm walking along this bit. Hi, so I'm going to head back now. I haven't found any more, so agate count is still at 4. Hopefully I'll find some on the way back. Let's see. Oh, I lost it for a moment there. And another one. That one's... nice. Another one. Whoa, is it? It's not translucent, but look at it. It's cool. I love it. Look at this tiny one. I think I lost half that video, but it's mini. Mini. Okay, so I'm gonna lay all the rocks I found today out. Nothing super colourful today. Is that all of them? I think it is. That's okay. That was the intention. I'm losing some. Oh dear, one's long gone. Yeah. Yeah, lots of quartz, epidote, bit of jasper, chert, I don't know how to say it. So yeah, and then these pieces of cancel donny. Not bad. Not bad. Well, thank you all for watching. I hope to see you next time when I go on my next adventure to the beach looking for some rocks. Bye.